Hey guys, so we decided to do the twinning challenge today. What do you guys think? Yeah, so this was quite a process. If you guys want to see how we created these looks, it's kind of like a bronze. We did like a bronze eye, kind of a nude lip, contoured the shit out of our faces. I kind of just put everything of me on her. She did. And then made her wear a shirt that was very similar to mine. If you guys are interested in checking out how I created these looks on us, stay tuned for the rest of the video. It was just kind of fun. Okay, so first we just went in and I just kind of shattered her ends just to make it not so blunt on the bottom. And then after we curled it, I applied this texture paste, and it just really gives the hair some lift for when we go to mess the curls and just kind of make it big and messy, and it kind of holds the back combing in place and separates the curls and stuff like that. Then I just went back in with my flat iron and tossed in some more curls where I thought it needed some curls. And then I just went in and did the exact same thing to mine. So what I do is just take a strand of hair and just kind of flip my wrist and then pull it straight down, and that's how you get like the loose, messy curls with the straight kind of bottoms. Just don't pull it all the way to the bottom. You might have to go and straighten some pieces at the bottom if you need to. And then on to the makeup. So here you can see, oh, the coverage of this foundation is so good, you guys. This is the Lime Life by Alcone foundation, and I believe we use the shade Gina Beige. And so I just applied that to the one half of her face here on camera, just so you guys could see the difference in the coverage. It is so good. So then we went in and did some brows, and I think for her brows I'm using shade 27, and this is also a Lime Life by Alcone pressed pigment. Okay, so then we're just tweezing a couple strays that she had here. And then I went in with a darker color just on the arch of her brow just to accentuate that a little bit, and then blended it all out with a spoolie. And here I'm using a concealer brush and the Lime Life concealer. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so this is just cleaning up and sharpening up the underside of the brow and just prepping it all for the eyeshadow. So here I'm putting on the transition shade, and I will list all of these colors in the description box below for you guys. And then everything that I did to her eyelid, I also brought down on the lower lash line. So just blending it out here. So then I just went in with this kind of copper light shimmer color and put it on the outer corner of her eye. And I will list the brushes I used for each step too. This is a blending brush. And then just smoked it down on the outer corner of her lash line and dust off any fallout. And then I took this sort of light creamsicle color and put it on the inner corner of her eye, and just used my finger for this part just to get the most pigment payoff, and then went in and blended it in with that kind of coppery shade. And then here I'm just dotting a little bit of highlighter on the inner corner of her eye and blending that in as well. And then here I took a even darker shade and just accentuated that outer corner a little bit just to give her a more smoky look. And because I am very self-tanned, I just went in with a bronzer just to start giving her a pop of color in her cheeks and just kind of around her hairline and stuff like that, just to set a base. So I just took that blending brush and we're just doing a little bit of contouring down the sides of her nose. And then here I'm going in with the highlight shade of concealer that I used on her brows and just putting that under her eye just to do a little cleanup on that lower lash line, as well as brighten underneath her eye. And then just adding on a little pop of blush. And now setting that under eye with translucent setting powder just so it doesn't crease or move or anything like that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some contour. And for this, I'm just taking where we put the bronzer and I'm just chiseling out and defining that just a little bit more. And then going in with some eyeliner. And this is the Perfect Eyeliner from Lime Life. I love this eyeliner, it's so good. And then tossing on some mascara. And then popping a little bit of highlight. Yes, bitch. Look at those curls. Okay, and then naturally I have to toss in some more backcombing. And for the finishing touches.
Okay, so what did you guys think of that video? I don't know. It was really fun to recreate myself, actually. I don't know if that means that I'm vain or...
I didn't mind.
So give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this, and feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure that you subscribe and click the little bell, because then you'll get notifications for when I do more ridiculous videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.